Hey there, you guys. It's Jamie Porter here. And listen, I wanted to share with you a discovery that I just learned on a director group on Facebook. And it's super awesome because I've really gone over to the Mary Kay app for my inventory and my sales. I've been keeping all my records there, which is great. But the one thing that I used to use on another program was Postage. And I used to use stamps.com years ago, and because I really can't stand going to the post office. And so with the customer delivery service, we don't do a lot of sending out, but I still occasionally we have those things that we need to mail out. So somebody, I forget who it was, shared with us that you can actually do postage through PayPal. And so many of you probably already have a PayPal account. That's not ProPay. This isn't ProPay, it's PayPal, which I had no idea. I have a PayPal account. A lot of times we will transfer money, for different things between just people, friends, family, you want to send money or whatever. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how to do postage. And what I found was it's way cheaper doing it this way than through even USPS.com, click to ship or whatever. I mean, the only way you can do that is priority mail. It never lets you do first class. And I found that the prices of the postage is way, way, way cheaper through PayPal. So I'm not really sure why, but it is. So it's kind of cool. So I'm going to share my screen and share with you. So I've already logged into my PayPal account. And when you come up here, sometimes you can see it down here in the bottom left, but on mine, I could never do that. So you go up to tools at the top of the toolbar up here, and you go to tools and you go to all tools. Okay. And then here, you're going to see all these different things that you can do, but you're going to scroll down to multi-order shipping. Even if you're just shipping one thing, which I just did this yesterday, I just shipped one thing. It's okay. You're just going to click this. So multi-order shipping. And I do have a scale. So let me just show you what it looks like. This is on my system. So you can see my office. This is like my little mail bin. Okay. So I have like different padded envelopes and things. But I just have the scale. I think I got it at Office Depot, but you can get them anywhere. And so I can see how many ounces or pounds it is. And so I have that scale. But all you have to do here is when you open this up, you just do create shipment. Now, I like to print on paper. I just print on 8.5 by 11 paper, and then I tape it onto my package. I do have a label maker, but I like to just do it that way. That way the address, my address is from, to, and the whole thing is in one label that I can just, you can buy the stick-on labels, but those are more expensive, so I just like to take, because I don't do enough to warrant ordering a whole package of labels. So create shipment, okay, so the date, the order number, this is really just for you. You can, write whatever you want, the person's last name or whatever. The item name, I had just done some lipsticks to somebody, so I put lipsticks. And then my address, and here's where you get to pick. I hit continue, by the way, and here's where you get to pick what type of service you want. And I think I had done first class, and the package type, is it a thick envelope or is it a larger package? And the package that I did yesterday was 5 ounces. So you just put 5 ounces in, and you can do a signature confirmation if you want to. I didn't add any insurance either. And I think if I was I'm actually doing one, so I think I didn't put an address of where I was sending it to. So I'm pretty sure it's not going to do anything because I'm not sending it anywhere. But that's all you do, okay? Shoot, let's see what it does and I don't have any money right now in my PayPal account, and you can literally, your PayPal account's usually connected to your bank account, and I actually have it connected to my business account and my home account, so you can pick which account you want to purchase the postage from. So it literally purchases it, and then it prints up a label. It's probably not going to do it because I didn't tell it where to go. But anyway, and so it's like boom, boom, out of your account, makes the postage, and then you literally hit print, and it prints out the postage. It's awesome. And like I said, I think it was $2.25 or something for me to send 4 lipsticks and a concealer to somebody. No, 3 lipsticks and a concealer to somebody. So it was like really inexpensive. And when I did it through this program I have, it was going to be, one of them was going to be like $6. When I did on think on USPS.com it was $6 and some change, or $7. If I did this other thing, it was like 3 something, and then this was 2 something. So it was really, really awesome. Okay. So about this ring, I'm not really shipping anything here. See all the fields went on. But anyway, I wanted to share that with you because I thought it was awesome, and hopefully that helps you guys with your, budgeting and postage. Okay, take care.